Let's tackle another piece of vaccine misinformation, this time the notion that vaccines cause SIDS. You might hear this along with the misconception that it's on the inserts. It says that SIDS is a side effect of vaccines. I can, and I will eventually make an entire video about vaccine inserts, but the important thing to know is that the inserts are not side effects. If you see something on a vaccine insert, it means that it occurred at any point during the vaccine shot. It doesn't mean that it's a side effect of the vaccine. It doesn't mean that it was caused by the vaccine. If it happens at any point, it goes on the vaccine insert, whether or not it's related to the vaccine at all. We know that the rate of incidence for sudden infant death syndrome peaks between 2 and 4 months of life for the entire population, vaccinated or unvaccinated. In America, what also happens at 2 months and 4 months are routine vaccines. So this is incorrectly attributed to vaccination when in reality they have nothing to do with each other. Lastly, how do we know that vaccines don't cause SIDS? Because a link between these two things has been studied over and over and over again. Dozens of studies across a multitude of countries all came to the same conclusion, that vaccines don't cause SIDS. In fact, several of those studies found that fully vaccinated babies actually had a lower rate of SIDS than their partially vaccinated or unvaccinated counterparts. So do vaccines cause SIDS? No, they do not. We know this to be true because we've studied it time and time again. I'm all for informed consent, but that consent has to be made on factual information. Otherwise, it's not informed. Disclaimer, this video was not sponsored by Big Pharma. It is sponsored by my hatred of misinformation.